Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your fourth lecture of English grammar. In our first three lectures, we learnt our first lesson, the alphabetical order. Today, we are going to start our new lesson number 4. Lesson number 2 and lesson number 3 we will be learn later. The name of our new lesson is noun, common and proper. You can say that common noun and proper noun. These are two kinds of a noun. Let's see what will we learn here in this lecture. First of all, I will give an introduction about the noun. Then we will see the definition of a noun and a common noun. Then I will explain the definition with some examples. And then I will give an exercise for your homework. The basic question of a noun is, what is a noun? And you already learnt about this basic question in your previous standard. Have you remember it? Let's revise it. Name of a person, place, thing, animal, event or idea is called a noun. Since nouns are everywhere, they are easier to identify through their classifications of or kinds. There are 7 kinds of nouns. Which are they? Proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, abstract nouns, construct nouns, and collective nouns. In your previous standard, you got the basic knowledge of common nouns and proper nouns, right? In this standard, we are going to learn more about common nouns and proper nouns, and then we will get the basic knowledge of collective nouns. Look at the picture. Here we have some example of a noun. Let's see which are they. Just read with me. Art, bat, basket, bear, cereal, clothes, chalk, cheese, tiger, teeth, tub, wrist, file, female, tea, wig, truck, wall, eyes, Indian, scarf, parrot, park, hand, jug, knee, juice, lady, etc. These are the mixed examples of a noun. Then you have a question in your mind that how will get the answer of a noun from the sentence? Do you know? Let's see. We will get the answer in a noun. Means nouns are the answer of the question what is it and who is it. From these two questions you will get the answer of a noun. These questions give names to things, people and qualities. Let's understand with this picture. Look at the picture properly. What is shining in the sky? Sun. So sun is a noun. Who is flying in the sky? What is our answer? Bird. So bird is also a noun. What is there on the hill which is in the green color? Yes, tree. So tree is also a noun. What is there in the sky which are in the gray color? Yes, cloud. So cloud is also a noun. Who's standing with a girl? A dog. Who's standing with a dog? A girl. Both girl and dog are the nouns. This way you can get the answer when you want to find out the noun from the sentence. Nouns are divided in 4 groups: person, place, animal, and things. Let's see some example of this type of nouns according their groups. Person: girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones. Place: examples of place: school, home, playground, zoo. Examples of animal: dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard. Example of things: book, flower, shoe, pencil, etc. These are the examples according their groups. Now we are moving on. We can learn about the noun and their examples. Here we are learning more about the groups with the picture. First group is person. What are the person? All the human beings are including in the group of person. Means all the human beings. Which are the humans are including in the person group of a noun, right? Here are some example with the pictures. Let's see it. Teacher, student, chef, doctor, wizard, grandma, etc. Now we are moving on the next group. A place. What is a place? A place that you can go there, you can reach there. It is called a place. For example, you go to the school, you reach to this class. Here are some examples with the pictures: cabin, beach, church, school, kitchen, etc. Let's moving on. Now we are in the group of a thing. What is a thing? We can use it. A thing is that we can use it for any purpose, for playing, for any other purpose. For example, notebook. Why are you using your notebook? You are using your notebook for writing, right? So, all the things we can use them. Another example is a doll. You can play with your doll. So you can use the doll to play, right? These are the things with the pictures: baseball, car, bed, bus, toy butterfly, and toy mouse. Now we are moving on the next category: animals. Animals. Not only all the animals. All types of animals means water animals, domestic animals, pet animals, wild animals. All the animals are in the group of animals. But not only that animals, but also all kinds of birds, all kinds of insects are also included in this group. Here are some examples of animals with the pictures. Let's read it. Duck, turtle, fish, dog, turkey, zebra. I hope you can understand. Let's move on. What is a common noun? Now we are going to learn about the common noun. A common noun is a word that is used to name a person, to name an animal, to name a place, to name a thing, to name an idea or an event. Means you can say in another word that common noun is a name given to any person, any place, any animal or anything of the same class or a kind. You can use the name commonly for any person, any animal, any place, anything. It is called the common noun. I hope you will understand this topic clearly. Thank you. Have a great day.